Hey guys, Profile TCG back again. Today we're opening more Cross Spirits Premium Pack. I've already pre-opened 4 of them, so we got 5 in total. So still chasing the SCR Frieza Goku. Nice looking promo you get with it. You get 2 of these in each premium pack. Couple of more cards where after would be the Gogeta SPRs. I'm going to go sort of over the commons since I've already covered it mostly. But if anything else stands out, we'll have a nice look at it. Such as Son Goku prepping for fusion. And just a regular rare. Got there. There is a nice looking lot of secret rares in this set. Another good one is the Majin Buu. That would be nice also. 17. A lot of Android cards. Another nice one would be some Videl super rare SPRs as well. Japan. Ultimate Whirlwind Spin, Piccolo, Trunks, Super Saiyan Son Goku. And there we go, that's a nice looking leader there. Trunks, the hero's successor. And a regular rare. You never go wrong with these foiled leaders. So still no hit from first premium pack. And look at that, as we were talking about it, Videl with all her strength, SPR. Look at the gold foiling on that. Really, really nice card. There, do the next premium pack. Majin Buu, Mighty Absorption. Nice looking Buu cards in here. Like, even the commons look amazing. Son Goku, Great Saiyaman 2. And a Opening the Gates of Hell. Super rare. Babidi, Cyberman, Awaken, Tapion, Power Beyond, Great Saiyaman, SS Son Goten, Piccolo, A Trip to Hell, wow. Very, very nice. And just a regular rare. Shenron, Jiren leader, that would be nice in foil also. 17, Diabolical Blow, Tapion, Negative Energy, SS Vegeta, Hey Shenron, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Trunks, Krillin Universe 7 Challenger, and super rare Topo. Very, very nice. Very nice. And final pack for Premium Pack 2, second lot. Wicked Mimicry. So, Great Saiyaman 2, Vegeta, Boo, Coming Calamity, Super 17, Master Roshi, Videl Leader, Hey Shenron, Sun Goten, Super 17 powers combined, and then for the final, just a regular rare SS Vegeta. Third premium pack. Android 17, Broly, Power Beyond, Vegeta, Exchange of Power, Great Saiyaman 2, Hey Shenron, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Sun Goten, Negative Energy Explosion, and a regular rare. Awakened Attack, Toa, Negative Energy, Diabolical Blow, Route 17, Goten, Gohan, Shenron, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Normal and the foil. And there we go, something new, a super rare Majin Buu. Wow. The artwork on that, very, very nice. Gohan and Krillin, Kibito, 17, Coming Calamity, Boo, Fatal Meeting, Vegeta, Goten, Goku, Videl, During the Avenger, and Sin Shenron Rare. And then final pack for this premium pack. Babidi, Wicked Mentor, Tapion, Source of Power, Trooper, Dr. Mew, Ryovulu, Vegeta, Tien, Vegeta, and regular rare Hercule. Down to the final two premium packs. See if we can get either a secret rare or another SPR would be amazing. Dragon Tackle, Goku, Piccolo, Coming Calamity, and then Hit. Let me just tidy this up here for a second. During the Avenger, Vegeta the Brawler, Videl. Loving these Vegeta cards. And there we go. SPR, Great Saiyaman, the Mysterious Hero. Some of these SPRs look just as amazing as the older secret rares. They're really, really nice. They've done a really amazing job. Very nice hit out of that one. Durin, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Gates of Hell, Krillin, and just a regular Boo. Final pack for second to last premium pack. Son Gohan, Krillin, Buying Time, Hellfighter, Vegeta, Source of Power, Trooper, Defender of Justice, Son Goku, Vegeta, Super 17, and a Videl Holo with regular rare SS4. Final premium pack. Let's see if we can do something. Fingers crossed. Alright. A Boo Absorption. There we go. What a nice Goku Calamity Challenger super rare. Absolutely amazing. Very, very nice. Android 17, Barbity, Urigan, Tapion, Defender of Justice, Dr. Mew, Coming Calamity, Videl, Son Gohan, Shenron, and a Hercule foil with a regular rare. SS4 Son Goku, Wicked Mimicry, Trunks, Exchange of Power, Vegeta Devastation Alliance, Music Box, Majin Buu, Son Goten, Vegeta, Krillin, Majin Buu, and regular rare Buu. Final pack, see if we can do it. Fingers crossed. Beerus, Toa, Kibito, Diabolical Blow, Trooper, Ultimate Dragon Quake, Super 17 Prepping the Union, Videl, Ryoyu, Son Gohan, Beerus Increasing Rage, and the final card will be a rare Trip to Hell. Well, no secret rare this time, but we did get some amazing pulls, including that very, very nice Trunks, the Hero Successor Leader, a Goku Calamity Challenger super rare, Great Saiyaman Mysterious Hero SPR, a Majin Buu super rare, Topu super rare, a Opening the Gates of Hell super rare, and then the lovely Videl, all with her Strength SPR. Very, very nice. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and wishing me luck in all the awesome pulls I just got. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.